Hey there everyone, and welcome to another Project Plex video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at some new features in the engine, so let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is, of course, the menu has changed drastically to a new look. It's still the same layout, but it's a different skin. And if we go into something like multiplayer, you'll notice that it is also using a different skin. This is called the Arctic skin made by Astro. It was made for ShiftOS, but it works perfectly with Plex because the skin engine hasn't really changed much. But yeah, we are using the Arctic skin as the default skin for the game. It's a placeholder. We're going to be switching to a material design skin or something like that pretty soon, but for now it's Arctic's. And yeah, this is part of a new feature that allows front-end developers of the game to set the default skin instead of having to do it in the engine. So you can do things like load up a default .skn file with images and all the stuff necessary. And it's a pretty neat feature, and you can also extend the skin engine from within the front end. You can add new settings to the format and other neat things. And yeah, I'll probably be doing a tutorial on how to add new skin features since it's a bit different now. But yeah, let's jump into campaign, look at the new features. As you can see, the UI is different. We're still using the same desktop environment. However, first of all, there's a bit of a bug with the system status program, and we can fix that by doing close 1. The window is closed. Cool. We can close this. So, new user interface changes. First of all, we are still using the Arctic skin. This is my customized version of it, though. App launcher is still the same. Nothing different about that. But a big change is windows, if I can get them to load, are now draggable, and they're just like they used to be in ShiftOS. Let's go into Plex Steam and see what's new in there. So as you can see, it is also windowed, instead of taking up the whole screen in the previous video. This white bar at the edge is now a fixed scroll bar, because I have basically fixed the scroll bar's user interface, and I have gotten the menus category to actually display properly. So let's go into App Launcher. And as you can see, the scroll bar has adjusted for the new contents of the user interface, and we can scroll. And as you can see, it is no longer wonky. Once we get to the bottom, if we get to the bottom, it'll show as being at the bottom, and I cannot scroll beyond the bottom of the scroll bar. So that is cool. We can scroll back to the top. And you'll also notice that in Plex Steam there are new fields for skin settings. There are now fields for points, which are X and Y locations, and there are sizes, and there's now, instead of showing system.byte where there's usually an image, it gives you a choose image button. And if we click it, we get a graphic picker, which is a user interface port of the one from ShiftOS 1.x. But it is still nice looking with the Arctic skin. And the graphic picker, a number of fixes with the graphic picker compared to ShiftOS is, first of all, the UI is responsive. Second of all, it no longer looks weird, like there's no longer stuff that shouldn't be there. It's got lots of white space though, I'll have to fix that. But we can tile images, and we can stretch them. We can zoom, which is like an aspect ratio aware version of stretch. And we can center them. Those are the 4 modes you would get in regular ShiftOS's graphic picker. We can browse for an image, but I don't have any on the system, so it won't find any, and we can't exactly change the format of the image yet. And we can reset the image to be nothing. And if we hit apply, you'll see the app launcher icon at the top there has gone away, and there was a bit of lag as it set. Whoa, don't be flying away, Plex Steam. Don't be doing that on me. I gotta get you down. There you go. There we go. Alright. Oops. I did not want to do that. So, yeah, there's a number of engine optimizations and changes to the game that'll make skinning a bit better, but still no work on gameplay, but we are getting ever so closer. Rogue AI is working on the Plex FS rewrite of ShiftFS, getting it to be a binary format and getting it more lean and awesome. Once that's done, we're going to work on server-side stuff, and then I'll have actual gameplay to show you guys. So, for now it's just user interface stuff, but hey, that'll work for now. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.